Let's go and talk about the S Pen. So we can go ahead and basically see our S Pen, which is on the bottom left of our phone. We can go ahead and click it out. Now, while it's in here, it's always wirelessly charging. So we can go and click on the application like this. And when we pull it out, you'll basically come into this little panel. It's a quick little walkthrough if you've never used it before. It basically tells you like hello or whatever. Now at this point, it'll go and tell you exactly what to do if you want to. So in this case, we'll just kind of go through this. It's not really a big of a deal. We've already kind of know how to use your S Pen, and that is it. So now what we can do is once we have our S Pen to kind of look around it, it clicks at the very top, and there's also one button on the side. So it's right here. It's about a little bit lower than the half of the specific device. So if you click on it, it'll go ahead and enact a few things. So for one, if you hold it down, it'll enact, a little camera icon or whatever. You can modify it however you want to. If you double click it, it'll do something as well. So there's a lot of cool stuff here. So now if you double click that button, it'll take you into this panel. Now if you don't want to click that panel, you can also click on the side right here. So you can go and just basically tap onto that little app, pencil icon, and it'll take you into this same panel. Now here's where it'll tell you a few things. One, it'll tell you the battery life of your specific S Pen. Now this S Pen wirelessly charges in this specific slot, so you don't have to charge it separately. As long as it's in here and your phone is charged, it'll charge up. Now here, there's tons of things you can do. So for one, you can create notes, you can view all notes, you can do a smart select, you can screen write like over screen shots, live messages, AirDoodle translate, and pen up. Now at the very bottom left, you have your settings icon. So let's go and tap on the settings icon, and it'll take us into our S Pen, basically our S Pen settings. So here is a big thing to keep in mind. You can modify a ton of things within your S Pen right here. So starting here, we have Air Actions. I would recommend just keeping this on, and Air Command. So it's a standard style with 8 shortcuts. If we click here, we can go ahead and modify how that little panel at the side comes up. So if we click this, we can go and click here, and it's going to be a more compact version, or we can have the standard one, which gives us more information. Now here you can have the show air command icon, which is right there. If you want it off, you can click this off, but then you'll have to double tap this every time the side button right here in order to actually enact, the air icons to come up. So hover over your phone like this, double tap that icon, and that'll basically come up like this. For this case, we'll just go and keep it on. Now going back, we can go ahead and basically get into some other things. So air view, I'd recommend just keeping this on. Now when S Pen is removed, it can go ahead and show you and do a couple of things. So you can open Air Command, you can create a note, or you can do nothing. In this case, we'll just create a note because it's a very cool thing, and I'll show you that in a second. You can also screen off memos, quick notes, whatever. Now you have more S Pen settings here. Click on this, and there's a lot of other things you can do here. One, if S Pen is left behind, I'd recommend keeping this on in case you leave somewhere and your S Pen is away. You'll basically be able to find it. It'll warn you. You can do sounds and vibrations. I typically just keep this off. Sounds and vibrations kind of annoy me, and that is it. Now, you can use this as a stylus as you normally would. So if you want to draw something, if you want to do whatever you can use this S Pen as you normally would. It's really cool. And if you actually take a close look, you can actually see that there's a little circle that comes up as you kind of move around it, which is really cool. Now, I told you to turn on a setting, right? So if we put our S Pen back in here, watch what happens. If our phone is off, so we'll go and turn our phone off. If you go and just leave it off, but you take the S Pen out, watch what happens to the display. The display will actually end up turning into a note panel, so I can go ahead and write down whatever I want to. Let's say somebody's talking to me and I want to, have a note. Well, I can go and write down the note here, and I can just keep going and just keep writing and writing. And that is a really cool thing. I've seen so many people use this. And whenever you're ready, just drop the S Pen back in just like this, and it will go ahead and save that note for you. That is a really cool thing. Now, that is exactly how to use the S Pen. Is that anything crazy? I'm sure some of you have used it before. It's very much similar to a stylus, but that is basically how to use that application in that, specific S Pen. Now, one other last thing I want to show you is within the settings application. This is a very important application to kind of